volume of batch reactor is required. Okay, now what does the concentration means? Concentration means the number of moles. Concentration is defined as the number of moles present per unit volume. It's termed as the concentration, right? So Ca naught. So Ca naught here represent the initial concentration of A present in the unit volume of the batch reactor, right? So concentration is the ratio of number of moles of initial concentration, initial moles present with respect to the unit volume of the batch reactor. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, concentration is the ratio of number of moles with respect to the unit volume. Okay, so let's say in this formula we have two unknown variables, right, which is Na naught and V. Na naught represent the initial moles of A and B represent the volume of the batch reactor, right? Okay, so we have two unknowns and one known value. Ca naught is 0.4 moles per cubic decimeter, right? So let's say, then how we can calculate the number of moles present in the volume of the batch reactor, right? Na naught represent the initial number of moles present in the volume of the batch reactor. Okay, so let's say, for example, in our example we have the molar flow rate, right? The molar flow rate, initial molar flow rates, which means the volume of the fluid which we are feeding, right, with respect to each and every time, right? So let's say the volume of the fluid which we are feeding to the reactor, it's called the molar flow rate, right? Which means the molar flow rate is 6 moles per hour, which means at each and every hour we are feeding 6 moles of reactant into the reaction environment of the batch reactor, right? So if we multiply 6 moles per hour with the charge time, right, then we'll get the number of moles present, right? So this equation, this formula is very important, right? So Na naught can be calculated. Okay, so Na naught is the product of molar flow rate and the charge time, right? Which means the molar flow rate units are moles per hour. Okay, and the charge time is in terms of hours, right? Charge time means how much time we are taking to fill the entire volume of the reactor. It's called the charge time, right? So here the molar flow rates unit are moles per hour and the charge time unit are in hours, right? So from the numerator and denominator we can cancel out the hours, right? So finally we will remain with the moles. Okay,